how to use Skyscanner for cheap flights. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can use Skyscanner for cheap flights, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, using Skyscanner for cheap flights is actually quite very simple. Just go to skyscanner.net, which is the official website, not .com. Just keep in mind it's .net is the official one. So from here you can simply select your departure from where you want to depart to where you would like to depart to. So you can simply go ahead and search those flights over here. Now once you have done that, you want to just tap on the number of people that are currently booking the flight and then tap the search option. It will search for all the available seats and the flights that are available. So most of the ones are from Yeti Airlines right over here. So I can simply go ahead and select that particular one, and I just need to tap the select button, and once I tap the select option, I will be able to go ahead and then basically actually book that flight. This way I can use Skyscanner for cheap flights. Hope this video was helpful. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.